They give it to schizophrenics. I'm not schizophrenic at all.
So why were they giving you that?
Going to King's Daughters, and I should have went to the military hospital here in the Cheyenne.
Okay. What branch of the military were you in?
Panther Division. Let's see here. I did a little bit towards in Iraq.
Okay.
Let's see here. Afghanistan.
Yeah. What branch?
Sniper.
You were sniper with what branch?
No branch.
No branch?
No.
Okay. All right.
On August the 1st, 2024, at approximately 4:25 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the 800 block of Cherryberry Drive on the city's west side on a call about a mentally disturbed man, Mr. Benjamin Wheeler, who was threatening his parents. Responding officers attempted to talk to Mr. Wheeler and assess the situation. Unfortunately, he indicated that he had weapons and locked himself in the house. SWAT officers were called to the scene and made multiple attempts to take Mr. Wheeler into custody. While the officers were outside attempting to negotiate with Mr. Wheeler, he was inside the house, barricading it and creating obstacles for the SWAT officers as he prepared for their entry. When the SWAT officers eventually entered the home, Mr. Wheeler was able to stab 3 of them before he was shot.
Howdy, fellas.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm good. I'm going to go and tell you, the martial law has been declared. Are you from Dubai?
Me and you did.
Okay.
Is there anyone from the hospital tonight?
I talked to him.
him.
So,
Get him in there
that
now.
would be...
We'll talk to
Will
him.
you get help?
Can you call him? I got a badge number.
Okay.
6262 Benjamin E. Wheeler.
What's going on tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. What did you and your dad get into it?
Yeah, a little bit.
What happened?
Just physical. Talking.
Just talking?
Yeah.
Okay. Talking about what?
Just arguing. They wanted me to come in and shut the door.
He just wanted you to come in and shut the door?
Sir.
Okay. How'd that turn into an argument?
Just not physical.
Right. I mean, what caused it to be an argument is what
They
I'm
wanted me
saying.
to shut the door.
Yeah, you didn't want to shut the
They
door?
didn't want to shut the door.
Okay.
No, I went
I
in
could-
on
here.
him.
I could see how that could be an argument. How long you lived here, sir?
I lived here for 30 years.
Nice. All right. All right. You on your medication right
I
now?
don't take medication anymore. My doctor put me off that stuff a long time ago.
Oh, did he really?
Yeah.
What were you on?
It was a next. I went to fucking King's Daughters instead of going to my military doctor.
Oh, okay.
You know what Ropoxin is?
No.
Yeah. They give it to schizophrenics. I'm not schizophrenic at all.
So why were they giving you that?
Going to King's Daughters, and I should have went to the military hospital here in the Cheyenne.
Okay. What branch of the military were you in?
Panther Division. Let's see here. I did a little bit towards in Iraq.
Okay.
Let's see here. Afghanistan.
Yeah. What branch?
Sniper.
You were sniper with what branch?
No branch.
No branch?
No.
All right. Okay. Did you threaten your dad today?
No, I didn't threaten him. I said martial law has been declared.
What do you mean by that?
Martial law is you got a certain bit of property. We're at war. There's gunshots here every fucking night.
Really?
Come here. Since you're an officer, here. Do you see this? Sniper shot. You see this? Sniper shot. You see this? Sniper. You see this? Sniper. Sniper.
I know.
Sniper.
You don't have a weapon on you, do you?
No.
What's in your pocket?
I just feel comfortable putting my hands in my pocket.
Okay. No weapons in there?
No weapons.
Okay.
Martial law has been declared. I'm waiting on the read.
Did you call?
Yes, hell yeah.
You talking about these 3 right here and then this one by the window?
Yeah, they're sniper shots.
When that happened?
A couple nights ago.
A couple nights ago? All right. What about the one down here?
Why do you got paper badges? That's Dubai. That says Nana Siki Nawini.
I don't know what that means.
That says firefighter. It
No.
does not say Columbus.
You're right, it doesn't. Okay.
Nana Suko Nawibi Nawaka. I speak Dubai.
I don't, so that's a problem. I don't know what you're saying. Why are you and Dad getting into it today?
I'm fine.
Why'd you and your dad get into it today? What was that all about?
I'm fine.
Okay. What was it all about with you and Dad today?
Exhausted.
What?
Exhausted.
Exhausted?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What got you all exhausted?
I'm fine.
What got you all upset today?
I'm fine.
You don't seem
I'm
fine.
fine. I'm the blood above my right. Law 6262 states. Can I see a warrant?
I don't have a
I own
warrant.
This house. I own the whole fucking Mickey Mouse.
The whole
The
Mickey
whole
Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
Okay.
There's 250 houses here. We are surrounded.
Yeah.
Martial law has been declared. I have a 6262 radio. I am talking to the military coming here. I am telling you this now. I'm not bothering nobody. Martial law has been called. I am armed. I will defend myself.
You say you're armed?
I am armed.
Where?
In my room.
You have a gun on you now?
I may have.
Do you have a weapon on you?
I may have. I don't have to tell you, sir.
Yes or no?
Do you have a weapon on you, dude?
Just tell us so we can all be safe. I want to be safe. We're here with your family. I got a family. All right. We all want to be safe.
We are telling you to leave him alone. He is the marshal. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, you got a gun! Back up, back up. Let's go! Go lower, go lower. Benjamin! Go lower. He's got it. What was that? Fuck. What was that? All right. Okay. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Hey. Oh, shit.
Ben, drop the knife. Drop the knife, Ben. Ben! Ben! Ben!
Give me another taser. Tactical? No, he's in the basement.
Which leg?
Is he stabbed?
Left,
yeah.
Lower left leg, you please.
What? Give me the drone and attack you! Run! Here. Here, helmet. You know what? Alright, we're good. The key out of the
Yeah.
We need more manpower.
We're good right now.
I think we're okay now. Thank you.
All right, stand by, stand by. Are you moving it or is he moving it? I am. All right, hold on.
Where are you?
Right now, I'm walking. Give me a second. I'm going to take myself.
Where do you need?
There's a shotgun on the floor. We were the only ones that shot.
Okay.
We do not have a gun. He had a knife, but there's a shotgun on the floor over there.
My 10, there were no shots fired at us. There was a long gun in here, and we did fire towards him. We believe he's wounded, and we're trying to figure it out down the basement. Get the drove up.
Okay.
Who's at the steps?
Where at?
Nate?
He's lost a lot of blood, so I said. He's lost a lot of blood.
Tell him to talk to your voice if he's injured.
Benjamin! You know what I need you to come to me! Where do you see him at, Brian? Right down the bottom stairs. Look at come that way, it looks like. Benjamin! Come to the sound of my voice, sir! I have medical help for you!
Need more help in there?
No.
Not reach out the free side door. I can release some people back here.
Benjamin! You cannot get the free side door.
We can't get to the first side door, we got that covered. And it's tied in here right now. So we're good for now. If we end up going downstairs, we'll rotate some people in.
Benjamin! I'm stuck on something, guys. I can't see him. I can see the stuff set. Benjamin! Come to the sound of my voice, sir! I'm not seeing him. Come to the light! I don't see anything. Where's the drone at? The drone's down.
Okay. Take count.